Hello people, welcome back. Watch I achieve this 7 minute puff puff recipe, instant puff puff. So this is it. I added in oil, salt, sugar. I'll be using this measurement so I can use these 2 small cans of vanilla yogurt. Feel free to use any yogurt you are comfortable with. Make sure your yogurt and your flour is at the same rate. So I'll just pour in the yogurt, and after that I'll just scoop everything inside. So I saw this recipe on social media and I decided to give it a try. So I gave it a try and I'll be rating it at the end of the video. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So I'm done scooping and I'll add in just a slime of nutmeg. So I will mix together properly. So as you can see, the consistency is okay. It's not too watery, it's not too thick, it's just like this. And this is the perfect consistency. So now I'm done with the mixing. I will just go ahead to fry this recipe. All my returning subscribers, thank you for the share, the like, the comments. Keep on commenting, keep on sharing, keep on liking. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and be a member of our family. Follow me on all platforms, social platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest is the same name I'm using on all social platforms. So here it is. Make sure your gas is on the low so that your puff will be cooked inside and outside. So I just gave it a quick stir. If you are new to the channel, follow for more amazing video. Follow us. We have health videos, cooking videos, snack videos, and stay tuned for more amazing videos coming your way. So I just really fling it over. At this extent, guys, our puff is ready to be removed. So I will rate this puff puff, yogurt puff puff, 7/10. So I gave it to my kids and my kids preferred the regular puff puff that you are allowed to rise for 1 hour with yeast. So this recipe, there was no yeast, there was nothing. So I use self-rising flour. Make sure you are using self-rising flour so you can get a soft, and look at it, soft inside, soft outside. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next video.